Hey lovelies, so the eye look has lasted. That yellow, on point. So hopefully you watched the video that I did to get this look. Everything else has kind of toned down. I guess that's what happens when, and look, my lipstick's completely gone. Whatever. But anyways, I have a unboxing to do. Just a little small something. I ordered from Ulta and I'm pretty excited. Let's just get to it. I haven't even opened it. I'm not even sure that I don't have anything sharp in here, so hopefully I have a bobby pin. Maybe that'll get through it. So one of the things in here I have been eyeing for quite some time. So I'm just really excited to have gotten it. So we will see. So it looks like the first thing on the top is this ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply. So I'm pretty excited about this because I have been wanting to try ColourPop and I have just yet not to make that leap. So here we are, leaping away. Are these not to die for? Oh my gosh. This right here, this color, it's a loose glitter. But it's called Hungry Ghost. And I have wanted a palette with this color in it for quite some time. This color is called Renegade. So it looks like we've got 3 pressed glitters. There's some like, ooh, sparkly, some like metallic-y, and then there's some mattes. I am so excited to try this out. Just smells like cardboard, if you were wondering. So it looks like, I guess I can tell you the names of the colors. This palette is just too much. I am really excited about this. Again, it is my first ColourPop purchase. I have eyed several of their palettes, but I just haven't, I don't know, taken the time to actually order one or buy one. So, be looking forward to some looks from this baby. And yeah, that's the first thing. This was the reason, this was what sparked this whole purchase. Do you know what this is? This is the Jeffree Star by Morphe palette. I am in love. I haven't even opened it, and I can already tell you, I love it. I have been wanting to buy this palette. I want to eventually purchase all of his palettes, but we're gonna start here. Look at this. So many shades. Do you see this? pressed glitter. That looks like it's the only one that's like pressed loose glitter. And this mirror, holy smokes, look how big this mirror is. Look at these colors. I love them. Too bad I didn't have these greens earlier. might have turned out differently up here. Oh my gosh, I want to touch it. I'm gonna do it. Yep. Ooh. Yep. Looking forward to creating some looks with this baby. So keep watching, stay tuned. I'm not sure when I will get to it because apparently now I have 2 palettes that I am really excited about. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Help me reach my goal of 1,000, and maybe we can do some kind of giveaway or something. I don't know. I watched a YouTube guy say that the best way to get viewers is to offer them free stuff. So here I am. Do what you gotta do. And once we get up to 1,000, maybe we can work on a giveaway. Bye guys.